Girl and a friend, I know what have Medicaid where mouth stink. And dental blood clot they on your Medicaid. Go visit a dentist and stop follow back a Kim. Kim are your God. Remember that blood clot, me not walking and no girl blood clot shadow. That fat girl here, they call me and blood clot tell me say out to do a suck man hood and come in and a kiss up Javier and a kiss up Brianna. That's why she do why you kiss Dominic. It's Kim they tell me that tell me no boy come and live with you know. Me live with blood clot and your best to tell me so. Yeah, it's she that says so. You start wash your baby buckle yet where mildew, where the water up on the bottom and the milk suck up on the top because I all long it near the blood clot buckle. You come on Instagram and come top, but you pick up my earbump, so what? Me they have an earbump on my belly because my parents and you pick it out. Jody is a you walk with a blood clot rifle underneath here now, and you have a blood clot extension clip and extra ammunition the way you're shooting. Rook off the whole clear, shook off, boom! I say you walk and shoot the people, they move your blood clot and go, come suck me, come choke. Sentence wicked blood clot, Eva, Kim and Jody. Me know the girl. If me sentence somebody in a federal case, but then a witness protection, bitch, me still a walk up and down. And now look back a blood clot me become no say. Me do nobody not know na evil move on the blood clot page come and have nothing for hide. My life is an open book. Kim member say you tell me so the Batman say the girl will get sentenced, man go kill me. Member say you tell me say him call blood clot Jody. And oh Jody are evil cause Jody never want tell me. Me sent who me sent? Center blood clot by the way you walk and fuck. You're supposed to can go in any store and buy a bedroom set cash, which include headboard, footboard, and mirror, side tape. You don't even have a blood clot box screen that costs $50. Come stop me. Come stop me. That you nasty Jody. Nasty blood clot Jody where your pussy tongue long and stretch down and look like chew up bubble gum. Jody, where you talk but you pick out an ear bump and out one ear bump. Every woman get ear bump. Show me one that don't. Nasty blood clot Kim and Jody. Wanna come choke through my tightness and boom flick through my back where how it go. My big and fat woman can't talk about me. Fat is not a crime. Fat is not a blood clot crime. Embrace my fluffiness come nice with it in a blood clot. Talk to me now.